This is AKASO Brave 7, and today I'll show how you can enable or disable the video stabilization on this device. So first, take your action camera and enter the video shooting mode. Then swipe upwards from the bottom edge of the display to to open the video settings. Here, depending on which resolution is chosen, you may have the image stabilization option grayed out and you will not be able to switch it on. So if you, do have it in gray, but you would like to enable stabilization, just select the proper resolution, the resolution that supports the video stabilization. For example, 4K, I can both enable or disable, or switch between turn off and normal modes. In certain resolutions, like 1080p for example, I think, you will not be able to change that. So select proper resolution, the definition that supports the image stabilization, and now you can switch the image stabilization between switched off or normal. That pretty much stands for, enabled stabilization, as simple as that. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.